So, dear colleagues, I know that you would be thinking about how to use this Blackboard Collaborate and how do I set up this. So, because of your all these things, I have decided to make this unit so that I can help you out. So, so this video Blackboard Collaborate, okay, that normally it's a virtual class. So I'm going to show you that how you can set up this Blackboard Collaborate and use the basics of this. Okay, so let's get started. So if you could see, this is the Braille unit, and according to your unit you can go quickly to your unit. So for example, I'm moving to my unit, this concepts and technologies of AI pattern. So here, for example, if I need to create Blackboard Collaborate, what I need to do is I need to go to the left of the corner. Okay, so on the left you can see, when you will click this, you will see that add menu item. So when you will be clicking this, you need to click the third option which says tool link. So here you can add Blackboard Collaborate or Blackboard AI, whatever name you want for your class. Then type, you need to select this third option which says that Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. So please click this and make it available to users. So you need to tick this one so that you can make it available to the users, and then submit. Okay, so if you could see the name that I made, Blackboard AI. Okay, so now this is the link that I have made. So when I click on this link, you can see there is a Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. Okay, so let me first remove this because this was I tested. So now what I can do is I can create a session. So my session may be, for example, Friday AI class. Okay, start time, and then one thing you can do is you can make this as an open session, so there is no time like thing that you need to set up and all those things. Your students are your participants, and this is the link, so you can also copy this link and send it through the announcement. Okay, that you already know very well. You can see here there is early entry 50 minutes before, 30 minutes before, and all those things. Then there are session settings, default attendee role, because you are the moderator as a unit leader, and then the students, they are the participants, and there's one more category as presenter when you want them to present something. Okay, and allow recording downloads, anonymize chat message, and then these are the default options set. Okay, participants can share video, share audio. So here I would recommend you to just untick this one in case, because this will take a lot of bandwidth, because here the students will be sharing their video, and this will take a lot of bandwidth, so you can avoid this one. Okay, and yes, these are the things. So if you can see now, this is the session that I have already created. So when a student enters here Blackboard AI, then further this, then they can just click on and just join the session from here. Okay, so this is because first you need to make the link and then you need to create your session. So this will take a little bit of time, it is taking. Okay, and here you can see whatever name I made. So I made Friday AI class joining session. So now in your screen you can see two options. Okay, one is this one right and another one on the top left. So there are only two buttons, rather I would say. You can see it here. So this one is for open collaborate panel. Okay, and another one you can see it here, Friday AI class, which says start recording, use your phone for audio, report an issue, tell me about Collaborate. So here also the help, okay, so you can take the help also from here. Here mostly this is the one that we use more often, start recording, because now you can see the red symbol and this says that the session is being recorded. Another thing which now you can stop this recording, okay, and this one is on the right, on the, okay, so here if you can see, this one, first one, so this one is for the chats, and this one tells that whoever attendees are. So normally attendees like your students, so presently I am the only one, so it's my name, okay. So this tells you all about all the students who have entered into your session. And then this one is for sharing the content. So for example, you want to share the application or the screen of your computer, so that's the option. So presently I'm just watching this, so for example you can see this will allow me to share the screen. And then this one is also very important, share file, okay. So for example, if I want to add any kind of files or notes or anything, for example, let's say for example I have uploaded this file, okay. So now when I have uploaded this file, so it will take further few minutes or few seconds rather, depends upon the speed. So here you can see now, so this is the PPT that has been added, okay. So now from here students can download this PPT, they can add, they can use these PPT, okay. So if I want to remove it, I can further remove this PPT. And so this one is this option. Then comes this one is the same as you have seen initially in the start. Then from here you can close your session, and further from here leave session. So when you will leave, it will ask you for various things, feedback, okay. So this one is the help tool. You can also reach to this one if you have want to have more experience of this. And further here, for example, menu, you can see the recordings over here, okay. So this is the last one I created, so this one is the one. These are all the test sessions that I was doing. And here you will find your sessions. So for example, I created this session now. And then if you want to see the student preview, you can also see over here. So this is entering student preview. So on the left you can see this one is the link where student will enter, and this is one way, and another is by the link also. They can directly enter. So this one is the same class. So I want to exit the preview, then it's recommended to use the first option. So hopefully I think you would know how to create your Blackboard Collaborate session. So thank you, please try it.